Namaste everyone. Welcome to Aikyam. In this video, we will learn the meaning of chapter 10 from sloka number 11. तेषामेवानुकं पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजन्तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वताम्. Krishna is telling, out of care for all of them, I dwell in their soul, and with the lamp of knowledge, I destroy the darkness born of ignorance. Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatan Divyam Adidevam Ajau Vibhum. Arjuna said, "You are the supreme Brahman, the supreme abode, and the supreme purifier. You are the eternal divine person, the primal God, unborn and omnipresent. Ahustvam rishayas sarve devarshirnaradathatha asito devalo vyasah swayanchaiva pravishime." All the sages like Narada, Asita, Devala, and Vyasa confirmed this, and now you yourself are saying this. सर्वमेतदृतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्दानवाः. O Keshava, I accept it as true. O Lord, neither the gods nor the demons can understand your glorious personality. स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थत्वं पुरुषोत्तम भावनभूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते. You alone know yourself through your own potency, O Supreme Being, origin of all life forms, Lord of beings, gods of gods, and Lord of the universe. वक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमां सौव्याप्य तिष्ठसि. Enlighten me about your divine manifestation by which you pervade all the worlds. कथौ विद्यामहै योगिन् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया. O Supreme Mystic, how can I know you in constant thought, and in what various forms am I to meditate on you? O Blessed One, please guide me. विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्. O Janardana, describe in detail your mystic power and appearances, for I can never hear enough of your nectar. श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्तते कथयिष्यामि दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे. The Lord of Sea said, "Listen, as I explain to you only those divine manifestations of myself and the prominent, for there is no end to the extent of my opulence. Ahamatma Gudakesh Sarvabhuta. I am just O Gudakesha, abiding in the hearts of all beings. Of all beings, I am the beginning, I am the middle, and I am the end.